Jasmy especially acquired roughly 4.08% inside the most recent 24 hours, which sort of is genuinely huge incredibly. The EMA 50 certainly is at present at $0.007 in a quite of enormous way. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin essentially is floating at $87,003,429 in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy especially has its exceptionally next obstruction at $0.006 in an unobtrusive manner in a significant way. 28 September 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and for the most part especially attempt to answer these much of the time, certainly commonly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what certainly is especially momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin, in a real sense, especially is Jasmy a by and large genuinely wise venture, which really is genuinely critical in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on, which for the most part is very critical, which is genuinely huge. Yet, prior to plunging kind of profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, truly let us by and large discussion about the essentially current economic situations. Showing that Jasmy for the most part sort of has its really next opposition at $0.006 in an especially for the most part significant manner. Market examination over the for the most part last 24 hours, there basically in every way that really matters, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1,057,668,317,807, exhibiting how the EMA 50 entirely is as of now at $0.007, which in a real sense is very critical. The exceptionally complete exchanging volume basically remains at $26,382,683,370, or so they by and large thought. Bitcoin shares 48.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33% incredibly, or so they thought. Which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,530.14 level after a decay of 0.87% in a kind of enormous manner in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a cost increment of 0.01%, coming to $1,625.48 during the past 24 hours, which in every way that really matters, especially is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.81, following a value change of 0.57% within a similar time period, which basically is very huge. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP explicitly most certainly is somewhere near 0.72 and at present exchanging at 50 cents, or so they in a real sense thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they especially thought. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market in a real sense by and large is going in a very descending bearing for commonly especially present moment, or so they especially thought. Right now, and in every way that really matters, general truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which in a real sense is very critical, which by and large is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized markers used to in every way that really matters, generally distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, essentially further appearance, how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin certainly in every way that really matters is floating at $87,003,429. Certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Support basically explicitly is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become kind of substantially more fundamentally dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any really further in an essentially exceptionally huge manner, which is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which merchants by and large become moved truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that these occasions basically essentially demonstrate that the market generally is going in a very descending course for sort of genuinely transient in an unpretentious manner, which is genuinely critical. Following especially most certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin execution. The kind of current Jasmy coin cost quite is $0.007, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the by and large beyond 24 hours, in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Right now, Jasmy sort of is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, which sort of shows that in every practical sense, complete exchanging volume basically remains at $26,382,683,370, which in a real sense certainly is very critical. Jasmy Coin Value Examination Jasmy Cost Investigation for 28 September 2023, inside an especially sort of everyday time period, truly made sense of beneath, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking in an unobtrusive way. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal assembly and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense. Sort of straightforward moving sort of essentially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving pretty normal, EMA, to in a real sense, explicitly break down the future development of the Jasmy coin, further appearance, how the kind of complete exchanging volume generally remains at $26,382,683,370, which for the most part is very huge. The MACD line explicitly is remaining underneath of the pretty truly signal line after a hybrid, showing how which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,530.14 level after a decay of 0.87%, or so they by and large generally thought. Jasmy coin financial backers need to in a real sense hang tight for any directional change over the very everyday graph, which sort of is very critical. The very genuinely relative strength record, RSI, for Jasmy coin certainly by and large, is right now floating at 19 for 14 days, for the most part normal line, which by and large means Jasmy truly is in oversold zone, and a pattern decently inversion for the most part is conceivable, showing how 28 September 2023. In this video we will in a real sense basically walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for reasonably certainly 1 week from now, and especially for the most part attempt to answer these much of the time sort of clarified some pressing issues, facts, what explicitly is in every practical sense, transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, generally is Jasmy a very wise venture? Which actually really is genuinely critical in a significant manner. While Jasmy's Williams %R marker basically is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange, kind of essentially signal certainly by and large is by and large beautiful conceivable at this reach. Showing how the MACD line generally is remaining beneath of the sort of truly signal line after a hybrid, showing how which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,530.14 level after a decay of 0.87% in a fundamentally significant manner. Ends as per our specialized examination information.